Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are unboxing my DEK Designs mystery subscription. I try not to call it a sub box because it is one kit. It is specially made for this subscription and will not appear in the DEK shop for a year or more, or ever. It really just kind of depends. I so far have not seen any of them appear in the shop. I like this one because it is unique. It is made for this subscription. It is not expensive. In fact, it's with tax and shipping, it's around the same cost as buying a regular kit. Like the cost of that kit, not the kit plus the shipping and stuff that you would pay buying a kit. So it's a really good deal. It's a larger kit, and they are usually gorgeous. So now that I have hyped that up quite a bit, so without further ado, let's look at the kit. And when I opened this up, because I did already open it up, it was kind of like, oh my god, it's as if Katie and Dawn just kind of like snuck into my subconscious and came up with like the perfect St. Patrick's Day kit for me. Like, I love this so much, you have no idea. Okay, here we go. This is the sheet of full boxes. So we have, I guess like a perfume bottle or something, and then this, not sure what that is, maybe a diffuser of some sort back there, and an arm with a charm bracelet. We've got the coffee cup. It says top of the morning, and it looks like a Ray Dunn cup, which is my favorite. My kids have broken several of them, so I just keep buying more. And then we've got like a hat with the plaid bow and some flowers, and this is all foiled. We'll play with the foil in a second. We've got a unicorn. I think he's a unicorn. I hope he's a unicorn. Maybe not. No, I think that's a unicorn. I'm gonna call it a unicorn even if it's not, I don't care. With a wreath of flowers and a bow, and then we've got the framed horseshoe hung up by ribbon, and we've got all these pretty butterflies and like this rainbow in the background, and then of course a planner with a bunch of washi and a pen. That's a jeweled pen, I like those too. Matter of fact, that looks like my, where is it? Oh, where'd you go? This is the problem with having your pin bin sideways. You lose things. There it is. Okay, so really, does that not look like my Fancy Plans Co. pen? Like, and I love that pen. Okay. And then here we've got different patterns and rainbow and the foil. This is just beautiful. And it sparkles, and it doesn't tell you on the slip what kind of foil this is, but I'm thinking this is gold holographic plaid foil. It could also be gold holographic sparkle foil. I don't know if holographic plaid sparkle foil is a thing, but if it was, that would be my top guess. But this is absolutely just gorgeous. Absolutely love that. And then we've got our date dots and our day covers, our little deco boxes, and the washi, which is just fantastic. We've got all this like gold filigree type things on like an off-white, and then this is that peachy color with the really pretty flowers and shamrocks, and that is just gorgeous. And then you've got these sticker people, but I got fairies. And then we've got the 5 decorative flags on top, the 6 scallop headers, the 7, lucky number 7, I guess. We've got the 7 half box, well, alright, 3 half box scalloped half circles, and then 4 scalloped half circle quarter boxes. So that's a little different, and these have bows, and then these have shamrocks on them, and they're very pretty too. And we've got the work stickers, and then we've got the unfoiled deco down here. So we've got my unicorn, and if I have to, I'll draw in a horn, but I'm pretty sure that's a horn. We've got 2 rainbows, green topped mushroom, the mugs again, the rainbows, the butterflies, the pen, a little headband, some books, a couple of, oh no, wait, that's washi. There's like 2 stacks of washi, the hat, the horseshoe, the planner, bows, all kinds of cute stuff. And then we've got our boxes. So we've got the headers, the 2 strips of foil half boxes, 6 decorative half boxes. They all have foil shamrocks across them. And then we've got quarter boxes that seem to have 2 strips of foil on them as well. And then plain half boxes that have trackers, and 3 headers down here with foiled bows on them. And then we've got our words that we always have. So today, to do, these are headers. This week, meals, exercise, work, and a lot of today's and to-dos. We've got our glitter foil headers or dividers, depending on how you want to use them. We've got the 5 3-heart checklists, the scallop for the weekend banner, and we've got 3 two-tone flags. They are white and green, and they are foiled. And then we've got the new foiled accents down here that are individual stickers. Very shimmery and pretty. Okay, here's the words. Alright, so now we've got our 6 3-heart checklist boxes, our 5-heart checklist box, our clipboard, our Monday through Sunday, 3 more boxes with the gold foil lines on the top, and then our usual words. So, well, this is the only kit in this video. Payday plan, errands, laundry, tidy up, Target run, movie night, shopping list, hump day, grateful, Walmart, social media, happy mail, trash eve. Why do I feel like grateful is new? I don't remember that being there before. I don't know if trash eve was there before either, but definitely I do not remember grateful being there. So I'll have to look at some other kits and check that out. But this is all super pretty, and all of this has flowers and shamrocks in the background, which make it really, really extra pretty. And then we've got the extra sheets. So these kits have 2 extra sheets. The first one is a whole bunch of deco. So you've got Coffee Monday, coffee cups, water the plants, fuel up, errands. You've got some grocery bags, a lot of sneakers, a lot of forks and knives, a couple of dishes with dish soap, coffee, some bows. You've got, let's see, Boo Bear is paying bills over here, and then you've got Emma, looks like she's playing with makeup, and getting a pedicure in those last 2. So there's balloons, bows, there's all kinds of stuff on here, which is really fun. And then down here, we have 2 more fairies. Because I'm Irish, and we like fairies. Okay, and then the last sheet. So we've got the 6 rectangle scallop boxes. We've got 3 decorative half boxes with the rainbow. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the larger scallop box stickers, a strip of washi, 3 of these boxes that have like the little washi decoration already on them for you, and then 9 bows, 3 in each of the major kit colors. Alright, I had to interrupt the video because my dog went nuts because someone rang my doorbell, and I don't remember what I was saying, but I know we went through the whole kit. So spots had already opened up for this, and then we're gone. My assumption was that there would be spots opening up prior to the 15th, which is the billing date for these kits, but because the shop is closed due to the family emergency, I don't know if that's going to happen this month. I don't even know if there's going to be a mystery kit this month. So given the uncertainty, I will tell you if you see them come up, and I will post it on Instagram if they do. And we are getting closer to 500 subscribers, which means I'll have a community tab, so whenever I get that, I will be posting things like this there. So I'll let you know when spots open up for this if this is something you're interested in. If you like things that like a lot of people don't have, there's limited quantities of, it's unique, this is the kit for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.